Okay, this is another hip flexor strengthening exercise. So our hip flexors are deep. They start deep in our spine all the way towards our back. And then they're in the abdominal region. They come down and they go in front of the hip here. And that's the muscle that allows us mainly to lift our leg up like this. It's a very important muscle for our trunk stability as well as lifting the leg up. It's oftentimes weak in many folks for a variety of reasons. And this is an exercise that can help you strengthen it. So you're going to use a light to medium band. You're going to put it around your feet here. And you're going to find a wall. I'm going to move our T-Rex out of the way here. You're going to find a wall and you're going to get yourself into a little bit of a lean, like a nice little wall plank. And you want to make sure, your alignment's good, your tush is not out, you're not dumping and sinking into your low back, that you're just in a nice diagonal posture here. And then what you're going to do is you are going to press into the wall. And I'm going to attempt to lift one foot up. I'm going to really try to flex that ankle up. And at the same time that I lift, I'm pressing my opposite heel into the floor to anchor myself. And this knee, I'm pulling against that resistance up towards the wall here and then back down. And then you're going to alternate sides. So anchor the one foot, heel, the whole foot, but really feel like the heel into the floor so you have a nice sturdy leg on your stance side. And then my ankle is flexed, my toes are pulling up, and I'm coming up and then going back down. And this is, again, strengthening our main hip flexor muscle, which is important for our trunk stability, for our back, and for our hips. And you're just alternating sides. None of this should hurt. None of this should be pinchy. Try to use those cues to anchor that standing leg into the floor, pushing into the wall to stay nice and sturdy, and then lifting that foot upward and forward towards the wall. And you're trying to minimize as much shifting as you can.